let's get started with the hot cha-cha sauce. It's Friday night and we're starting our hot cha-cha meal. It's known as Mexican Haystacks. I'll try to put the recipe and I'll alter it a bit because it's my husband's family recipe, but the recipe doesn't say what my in-laws actually use, so I'm gonna actually put what my in-laws actually use because it's very confusing. But I'll take you through it. It's not completely detailed step by step, but if you like this meal and think it looks interesting, give it a shot. So let's get started with the hot cha-cha sauce. You're going to need 2 onions diced, 1 can diced green chilies, 4 cans of 10-ounce sized tomato soup, 2 cans ranch style beans, 1 pound ground beef browned, Fritos, diced tomatoes, lettuce, sour cream, and shredded cheese. Feel free to screenshot this for future use. So I chopped up 2 onions. I'm going to add in, for the recipe, you just dump everything in and the onions soften, so it's like a really long while for it to cook, like a marinara sauce or something. I added 2 more cans of tomato soup, just because it seemed like a lot of onions versus that. So it would be 2 large cans of 20-ounce tomato soup. And I also heat up ranch style beans, and we have that, and I'll show you how it's done, and I'll try to remember to do this. So see ya. So I covered this and it's on low because it's boiling, and I'll come in every 15 minutes and stir it until the onions are soft. I'm going to show you how to make a hot cha-cha plate. Okay, let's go. I used chili Fritos, put a fine layer on the bottom of the plate. I have to remember, like, not to make the plate too big. I add some lettuce, and a layer of beans. Now I'm going to sprinkle on some meat. Just a little bit. Now we're going to add some hot cha-cha sauce. Now add some cheese. Now some tomatoes. I have a lot of tomatoes. A little bit of sour cream. Try to spread out the blobs. Add some Fritos to the top. Yummy. Hit subscribe and like and watch one of these videos here just for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.